Losing weight does not mean eating less, it means eating the right food. Healthy recipes can help you feel full, give you energy, and help you lose weight. Here are some simple and tasty recipes you can try. Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup is low in calories and full of vitamins. Boil water in a pot, add chopped carrots, tomatoes, spinach, onions, and garlic. Add a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a little olive oil. Let it cook for 20 minutes. Enjoy this soup for lunch or dinner. Grilled chicken salad. Grilled chicken is full of protein. It keeps you full for a long time. Grill a chicken breast with a little salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Cut it into small pieces. Mix it with the lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and carrots. Add a spoon of olive oil and vinegar. This salad is light and tasty. Oatmeal with fruits. Oatmeal is great for breakfast. Boil oats in water or low-fat milk. Add slices of banana, apple, or berries. You can also add a little honey or cinnamon for taste. It keeps your stomach full and helps digestion. Boiled eggs and avocado toast. Boil 2 eggs. Toast a slice of whole grain bread. Wash half an avocado and spread it on the toast. Place the eggs on top. Sprinkle some pepper and lemon juice. This meal gives energy and is rich in good fats and protein. Stir-fried vegetables. Chop broccoli, bell peppers, mushrooms, and carrots. Heat a spoon of olive oil in a pan. Add the vegetables and stir-fry them for 5 to 7 minutes. Add a bit of soy sauce or garlic. This dish is crunchy and colorful. Healthy recipes are easy to make and good for your body. Choose fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid sugar, fried food, and soda. Drink water and eat slowly. These small steps will help you lose weight and stay healthy.